We are so excited to be here at Columbia University's largest STEM event, Stemquest.
It's delightful to have students from all over New York City experiencing what it's like to be a Columbia student.
We bring hundreds of youth from all of New York State to experience hands-on workshops in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, healthcare, and research through hands-on workshops, interactive demonstrations, career panels, and direct engagement with professionals and trainees from a wide range of fields.
I think it's really important for us to facilitate the next generation of healthcare providers. And part of that is making sure that we're engaging with our local community and sharing with them all of the knowledge and resources that comes out of Columbia University.
As a full-time dental student, I don't have so much opportunity to share with others, to give over my knowledge. I love teaching. This provides me with that opportunity. Thank you, Columbia.
I think their mental health really needs some tending to and some nurturing. And so these techniques and resources that I hope to bring to them will give them a sense of empowerment and safety.
And I just loved that this is open to any student in New York City, and it just exposes them to anything related to STEM.
My experience today has been great. I really liked it. I learned a lot of things that I wouldn't have known if I didn't come here.
Definitely going to help us going into high school. We definitely learned skills that we should learn before we go to high school and entering college when we're older.
We learned how to sew. We felt like a surgeon.
And I think we also learned a lot about the different jobs and our options for what we should do.
But it was also really cool meeting new people.
Join us at Stemquest next year.
For the past 3 years, we have brought together thousands of students, and we are happy to do it again this year. And we are looking forward to our 4th annual Stemquest. We hope to see you next year for our 4th annual Stemquest event. Bye.